Hi friends, welcome to Grace Tech. This is your host Kamlesh, and first of all, I would like to wishing you happy and prosperous new year. This is my first review video on 2022. Today I'm going to review a brand new software which is going to be launched on 8th of January 10 a.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time, which is being launched by Philip Johnson and Dan. As per their claim, it's newbie friendly and how to make money online. It is easy to just upload pictures on particular website and earn money. So being an affiliate, I do have the access to check it out the software. I did that and let's check it out. How does it work? What I found it's worth. And a part of that, buying from my affiliate link, which is just right below the video, it is going to be much more effective to utilize those software. I have added some custom bonuses which is specially picked for this particular software, and there are some vendor bonuses as well. So the link is just right below. Just click the link and grab the opportunity. It is going to staying only for 4 days, so don't miss the opportunity. It's have a look if you're interested. There are my bonuses and everything. If you're interested, please don't forget to click the link below. So here we are on Exile Profits. What it is. Watch how Max will make $45 every time he uploads an image to a secret website. The more he uploads, the more he makes. So what is Exile Profit all about? How to make money simply uploading images to a secret website. The Max has been doing this method over a year and he makes multiple thousand per month simply uploading images. The front end price is 12.95 with the upgrade of 37 of downsell is 27 and upgrade 2 is 97 with a downsell of $47. Upgrade 3 $97 with a downsell of 67. Upgrade 4 that is $67 with a downsell of 37. Upgrade 5 $97 with a downsell of $47. So let's check it out what it is and all the upsales and all. The front end Exile Profit that's for 12.95. Access the powerful Exile Profit software and training module which is really effective. Anyway, we will check it out. Step by step training modules all there. Upsell 1, the pro version, $37, which is the downsell of $27. You will find out how to multiply 10 times income with the more advanced tactics and the scale your income. Upsell 2 is the done for you package for $97, which is the downsell of $47. Max has created done for you images for customer to use. Simply copy and paste his own money making images and bank on autopilot. Upsell 3, that is unlimited traffic, $97 and the downsell is $67. Steal all your buyer traffic by placing your Google Pixel on your sales page. Our sales page get hit by thousands of buyers daily, so you can retarget them and easily make money. And next is the upsell 4. Upsell 4, traffic mastery, $67 with a downsell of $37. Dan will teach you how to leverage YouTube, Instagram, Facebook to drive 10,000 visitors to any site within 24 hours. And then you got the last is that's the final upsell 5 resale rights, $97 with a downsell of $47. Get 100% on the full funnel of Exile Profit. We do the hard work and support while you keep all the profits. So here are some benefits you may be interested in getting it. What is in a Exile Profit? It's extremely beginner friendly. Yes, it is true. I do agree. The more Max uploads, basically it's the what can be seen. The more you show, the more you can sell. The more a Max upload, the more he makes. That's true. Once upload, these images pay him over and over again. Read simple, no experience required. Correct. No further investment. Take just a minute. Yes, it is time saving. It is time taking if you're taking only the front end because they have set up the funnels and all these things. As for my experience, what I found it is effective for newbie friendly. It is, and to make it more effective, I have added some custom bonuses which is created by my mentor, Mr. Jono Armstrong, which is created by my mentor, Jono Armstrong. He's a self-made billionaire with a wonderful experience of the internet marketing and how to make money online, all those. The bonus tutorial number one, that is, it's a hack $200 per day on autopilot by Jono Armstrong. Bonus number two, that is access Jono's headline hack. These are very effective bonuses. Do not miss that. The price of the second is the 46.95, and you got the third bonus that is $344.95 bonus. That is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. That will turn the Exile Profit upside down. It will make it. It will take you to different place. How to increase the income. Then you got a bonus number 4. Access timeless traffic. All internet marketing depending on the traffic. So do not miss this opportunity. It's a wonderful package. And apart of that, there are some vendor bonuses that is also included. Here are some vendor. To access these bonus, you can click any of the yellow button. It will take you to Warrior Plus and you can access all the bonuses along with your Exile profits. So now let's check it out, the Exile Profit members area. How does it work? So here we are. This is the member area. Is the introduction. Here it is. I'll play first time. What I have seen step by step, all these things are there. You got an introduction, then you got a mindset. See the mindset for any business, whether it is physical business, online business, you required mindset. Then you got a proof of method. That's the here they have shown some of the proofs. Then you got product ideas. Very good. Then the niches and micro niches they have explained very nicely. Then you got product ideas, then free tools to your product idea, validation, the keyword search, my top three product to sell for the beginner. As a beginner, these all are step by steps training modules. It is it does not require any of the prior experience. You can do it all those things your own. Then the design creation, creative design yourself, creating your Etsy account, Etsy, Etsy SEO, share a new listing, build your next income stream, upgrades. Then you got the bonuses from the vendor. There are some bonuses, direct access to Philip Instagram and the Yemen. Okay, bonus 2, bonus 3, 4. You got 5 bonuses over here. And then some vendors' previous products over here. So I would like to take you once again to my bonus pages, which can make this exile profit very useful for you. You can utilize it the maximum and make money online easily, create your passive income. Once you are successful, you are your own boss, does not require to follow anybody else instruction. So let's have a look once again my one bonuses, which is offered by Jono Armstrong, a self-made billionaire, does not require any introduction. So the bonus one is once again, which is the $427.95 cost. It is, I'm gonna give it for free along with the exile profit, which can help you, which can teach you how to make per day $200 on autopilot. Bonus number 2, you got access of Jono's headlines hack. Bonus number 3, $344.95, which is very effective. Email marketing, 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. Bonus number 4, you got access timeless traffic. Bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses. So friends, once again, if you find it interesting, you trust me, just click any of the yellow button and it will take you to Warrior Plus. Get the excess of exile profit along with all the vendor bonuses, my custom bonuses. So friends, this was my review of exile profit. If you find the review is interesting and you like the software and the package, the bonuses, which is going to be very helpful to utilize the exile profit, I have mentioned the link below the video. Just click it, or once you click, it will take you to the sales page like this. See the bonuses, it is on a limited time. Once these numbers will hit to the zero, all the bonuses will go. If you hit any of the link, it will take you to the sales page, and here it is. There you can click here to instant access of all the bonuses as well as your exile profit. So don't miss the opportunity. Even if you go for the front end 12.95, you're gonna get all the bonuses. If you like my review, do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.